Waste Processing Equipment, located in Rainsville, Alabama, is the manufacturer of the MaxPack line of industrial equipment. MaxPack manufactures the highest quality products in their industry today. With proper operation and routine maintenance, your MaxPack baler will perform dependably for many years at a minimum cost. Your MaxPack should be operated by trained and authorized personnel only. No one under the age of 18 is permitted to operate this baler. Your baler is equipped with interlock switches to meet all ANSI and OSHA regulations. Do not attempt to disable or bypass any switches. Do not put your hands or any body part inside the baler at any time. The baler can be stopped at any time by pressing the red emergency stop button. In case of an emergency, press the red emergency stop button and turn off the quick disconnect handle on the control panel. Your MaxPack baler is equipped with a touchscreen interface for the operator controls and for user feedback. When the power is first turned on, you will be given a choice between English and Spanish as the language the screen will display. You may select your language of choice by touching the button on the touchscreen. Now, to begin baling. Close the lower discharge door and clamp tightly with the turnbuckle. The door closed indicator will activate on the touchscreen. You are now ready to begin loading the baler. Fill the chamber with material and remember to load material evenly. If you are baling cardboard, it is not necessary to break down any boxes before loading them. Once the loading area has been loaded with material, close the feed door and press the down button on the touchscreen. The ram will travel down, compressing the material. After a full downstroke cycle is reached, the ram will return to the top, opening the door on its way up. Continue this process, always making sure that material is loaded evenly. Remember, boxes do not have to be broken down before baling. When the bale is complete, the press will stay down, pushing against the material, and a bale complete indication will be displayed on the touchscreen. It is now time to tie off the bale. During this process, the baler should remain in bale complete mode, and the following steps should be taken. Do not turn off the power disconnect. Do not push the emergency stop button. Open the feed door all the way up. unclamp and open the lower discharge door. Remember to make sure all persons are standing clear of the discharge door, as some materials may cause it to spring open more quickly than others. Slide the wire through the slots marked wire on the front of the baler. Then, from the back, through the open slots in the ram. While you are behind the machine, position the eject chain hooks on the hook bars on the back of the ram. Tie off all wires through the loops and then through the loops again. The bale is now ready to be ejected from the machine. It is a good practice to place a pallet or forklift in front of the machine for easy removal of the ejected bale. It is very important to make sure no one is standing in front of the baler during the bale eject process. While standing clear of the front, press and hold the up button on the touchscreen. The ram will travel up, ejecting the bale. Remove the bale from in front of the baler. Close and clamp tightly the discharge door. The eject chains will unhook themselves the next time the ram cycles. Now you are ready to make the next bale. Remember, if an emergency occurs, push the red emergency stop button and turn off the quick disconnect handle located on the panel door. Always use extreme caution when operating your MaxPack baler, and never ever attempt to disable or bypass any of the switches. Push the emergency stop button and remove the key when the baler is not being used or when it is unattended. Remember, with proper operation and routine preventative maintenance, your MaxPack baler will give many years of dependable service. Thank you for choosing MaxPack.